Okay, go to Almirante Sergio. We are going to walk down this street near this construction and kind of show you what's around here and how it's all changing as well. Before we do, we're going to also kind of show you this little Pagoda de Barra that we're in right here. And we're going to start out this location, so I just want to kind of give you a little bit of an idea where we're at. Alma Temple's over that way. Beautiful green building is right here. And we're just going to go down this way and kind of show you a little slice of the street. I think it goes down quite a ways, but we're going to capture some of it for you. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So actually, this actually goes up quite a ways. It almost goes to Senado Square, which we're not going to go that far. We're just going to give you a little bit of a slice of it. And I want to kind of give you an idea that there's a lot of massive construction on the street. Before we even do, we'll just kind of capture this green building, which is kind of the beginning part of it, and this Alma Temple. So the Alma Temple also goes down to it as well. And that's kind of that. I don't know what that green building is, but we'll walk by that and see it as well in a moment. So everybody here is checking out Alma Temple. A lot of them are in tour groups. And then, oh, this is starting to open up more too. So there's a whole little space in here, and you got this little Portuguese tourism, Casada de Barra. So we're just gonna walk directly down this direction, and then we're gonna do our target street. But it starts out at Barra. And it looks like it's called Maritime Museum, which I think is part of the complex of it. So Maritime Museum, Alma Temple, and then we got some little tourist stuff like that right there. And we are going to, yeah, this one, they start over there. I think he's gonna go across the street. So we're gonna walk down our target street, which is down this way. And there's a lot of construction, so we're gonna see how this develops over time, but they're also doing a lot of stuff in the middle as well, and lots of stuff right here. So that's part of that green building that we saw. Okay. Then this is kind of a famous restaurant right here, Portuguese Lord truck. So you have our nice tiles. Yeah, they're doing a lot of stuff. There's a waterfront over there. There's a little port that goes to Coloban. You can take a boat all the way to Coloban over there as well. Huh. That lady just came out of here. Okay, that's an apartment building. I thought that might have been a way through that construction. Okay. So this street actually goes up quite a ways, but actually I'm gonna go eat over here in a minute. This one right here is Signum. Giant art space. Right there. So they're doing a lot of construction right here. So it's kind of interesting to see what they might make of it later. So this street will look a little bit different next time we come over here. And you can see some of the construction all the way down here. Yeah, it kind of goes all the way down. So actually this whole street is under construction all the way down to, I just looked at the map at the beginning and it goes all the way down. So we'll see. I do drive here and it's not a very fun street to drive on. So, so whatever they do will be a big improvement. I hope they do something really cool. Some little side streets. Prosperidad. This is like a little circle. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get mostly construction all the way down. But that's kind of what it looks like. The rooftop way up there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. And we're kind of just giving you a taste of what it looks like in 2024. That's another famous restaurant, Literal. Anniversary 1995. And we got a line. There's another restaurant up here that's popular as well. So it looks like they're in line for that one. Yeah, that's a nice space. And then this one as well. This is another good restaurant. So we have some pretty good restaurants here, and some of those are quite famous. Alorca and Litoral are always up there. And then that other one has a long line. We have our construction, more construction everywhere. Okay. So we could just keep on walking up. Looks like a little break in construction right there. But it continues up there later. You can see more of the red and white. So that space is actually, looks like it's kind of finished. And then this actually says Beach of Mandiso, and this used to be, I think my understanding is Praya's beach, so this would have been all reclaimed land at one point. So I think, I don't know which side the beach would have been, this side or this side, but this beach, this goes all the way down, so I guess this would have been all ocean on that side. So this would have been kind of a beach road on this side, which makes sense because all the historical stuff like Amma Temple is all and then all this reclaimed land would have been on that side for sure. And we're gonna try to go across the street, but you can see some of the so Bara Pagoda Temple, Amma Temple, down that way. Maritime Museum, that's that green building we started at. Bara Waterfront Promenade, this is gonna be new. So I think the sign is new. That's all the way down there is the promenade, and they're building that kind of going. And then those other two, they also reference the Hawker Zone, which is the street right there, and then the St. Lawrence's Mercado. So anyways, we're gonna try to go across here, and then we're gonna end our video. And we'll try to give you a little view of what that looks like down that way while we go across. So so stay tuned. I'm gonna shoot a little bit in the road. So okay. Okay, so now we're safe to go across. So I'm just going to look down the road here. And that's kind of our road that goes all the way down almost to the end, almost past some of those older buildings. So we're gonna come across here. And I'll also just kind of give you a little idea. So down that way is the waterfront, down that direction. And we're just gonna come back on this side of the street, and I'm gonna be getting something to eat over here. And I'm gonna just point the camera down that way real quick. But you have kind of these little, we'll do the next one since there's people right there. So yeah, we're all on kind of reclaimed land right here. And it's gonna go down this way. And then down there you can see some, the ocean is right down there, and you can see some freights, like those little freights that they bring stuff in and off the water. So anyways, that's all their construction over there. So you got Litoral, those famous restaurants. And with that note, we're gonna end this video. So a little slice of Rua do Sergio Almirante. Got some nice restaurants over here. These are more smaller restaurants, but I have one that I really like a lot, so I'm gonna go to this one called THS. THS. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.